Introducing Mini Delight Afternoon Delights for September 2024. We have a beautiful outline flower cluster as well as some beautiful heartfelt sentiments. There's also a die set, and this die set allows you to create a beautiful teacup, and there are the dies that are included. I use the colors on the back of the stamp packaging on all of my pieces here. I'm just laying them out on my ultra sticky mat with my tweezers, and we're going to put these together with some liquid glue. So I'll begin with this piece. The bottom piece is eucalyptus and the top piece of the cup is silver sage. I'm just getting that into place, making sure I have a good fit. Next, we'll take this coffee or tea, which is going to be almond butter, and I'm placing that onto the jade piece, which is the cup. So those layer together to look like you have some tea in your mug there. I always have coffee on the brain, so I always think coffee. And then I used morning frost on my little tea saucer, and I used hazelnut for the little tea bag there. I hope this video is helpful in layering together your Mini Delight Afternoon Delight. Here is some fantastic inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about Mini Delight Afternoon Delights and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hello crafters, Jen here. For more tips, techniques, tutorials, and to discover which paper crafting products are right for you, subscribe to Altenew's YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.